Hello to everybody. I'm very excited to be here.
Welcome all to joining me for the UBC International MBA Program's introduction session. We are here based in Shanghai.
It's wonderful to be here this morning to talk a little bit about optional global programs and is connecting leading global business schools around the world. UBC Sauder is the only Canadian member.
My name is Jessica Lee and I'm the Senior Manager of Recruitment. You may be wondering, why should I pick UBC Sauder?
I was in your shoes and I was choosing a graduate program to go to, and I chose UBC. And I'm hoping that maybe with this open day, we will convince you to come and join us.
You should consider choosing us is because we are the top business program in Canada, ranked #1 for 3 years running.
There is going to be about 1 million jobs open in BC or continuously in these 10 years that are new. So the outlook for the BC is really, really good.
It's a city filled with unparalleled opportunities. It is also one of Canada's premier business centers, offering you connections to business opportunities, not just in British Columbia itself, but to other parts of Canada and around the world.
International exchange is a great way to expand your horizons, add another top business school to the resume, get some immersive experience. Usually the schools try to infuse local flavor into these custom topics to provide unique, enriching experience.
One of the key features of the program is we have 2 weeks study in Vancouver, and that brings the Chinese students as well as the Vancouver-based students together.
Students have a chance to avail themselves of a unique opportunity to participate in everything that Yale School of Management offers.
With the technology, we can bring in real in-person experience to simulate that in-class learning experience.
You are not coming to your graduate program only for the academics. The other part of the equations are all of the social activities that you're going to do with your classmates.
We also want to create that community experience for the cohort.
When you graduate, you will join a community of over 40,000 alumni located all across the globe.
We have so many partners, we have so many opportunities to apply for and to choose from.
We have your back to ensure that you will be successful in your program and to ensure that you are set up to be successful in your careers as well.
Think about what you want. And the other thing is be open. Your graduate program is a discovery process.
We set you up for success, and it's up to you to redefine it.
Thank you once again for considering UBC Sauder. I really hope to see you soon on campus in person.